Assalamualaikum everybody. So it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijabi from TT. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very short video. I'm actually going to be doing some egg muffins this morning. A great breakfast idea for the kids and even for us adults. So for our egg muffins, I have some eggs, and I like adding milk to my eggs. So I have some eggs and milk. I have some grated cheese, some chopped onions, and some pimentos, some sweet peppers, and some corn. So I have a lightly greased cupcake tray here, but you can, once you have the non-stick ones, no need for the extra spray, because it could maybe cause it to cook too much on the outside, but we'll see how this one goes. And all I'm going to be doing is adding some of my vegetables to each one. Corn, onions, and then I'm going to be pouring in my eggs. Might be too much. And then I'm going to add the remaining vegetables to it. And of course, our cheese. So I have my tray of eggs with vegetables and cheese, and all I'm going to be doing is putting it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll see how they look after. So after 20 minutes of baking, guys, we have our delightful looking egg muffins. You can see all the pretty colors, and it smells wonderful. Now this is such an easy recipe for you to follow, so I hope that you do give it a try out. The full recipe will be available on my website www.jennaghthehijabittt.com, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and also like my Facebook page. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not done so now. Also, just remember, you can use any vegetable in this recipe in any quantity as well. I just chose what I had readily available, but you can experiment any way you like. You can also make it a healthier option by also eliminating the egg yolks and the cheese. You can make an egg white muffin only, and it will be just as delightful. So as usual, thank you so much for watching my video, and do look out for my next cooking video that I will be posting soon. See ya!